How you doing, folks? How you doing, folks? How you doing, folks? How you doing, folks?
Ass arse.
Hard to start when it was cold. There was a big plump when you went to pull away. It was sluggish on the gear changes. The brakes were terrible, and it was generally grubby looking. So, you know, you can see a diamond in the rough. Success, folks. We have decent heat. Oh yes, they are working brilliantly now. I'd like to introduce you to the Honeywell GTCP 131-9A APU. Okay, so what we're looking at here now is the second stage turbine inside the exhaust housing. So if I reach my hand in there, I can actually rotate that in the normal direction of rotation. That normal speed of rotation happens to be 48,800 RPM, so it's still incredibly fast. And we're about to see this beast start. So it's all connected up there now with various sensors and exhaust gas temperature, inlet temperature, bleed air temperature, generator power supply. Starter clicks in there now, and you won't hear much of me after this point. I'm putting my ear defenders on. Okay, so obviously it is earth-shatteringly loud in there, so there's no way you were going to be able to hear any running commentary while I was in there. You couldn't make it up. I turned on the garden hose and look where it was pointing. Well, there's a reason why it looks like I'm driving a bedroom on wheels at the moment, because I kind of am. I'm driving my 1987 Volkswagen camper van. I changed head gasket, changed timing belt on that one while I was at it, and turned out the head was cracked because it blew the head gasket again after about 1,000 miles, and the turbo started leaking, the fuel pump started leaking, and it was turning into the proverbial triggered brush. 450 horsepower Beetle engine, holy shit. Holy shit! Should be interesting to see how this all pans out anyway. Well, not only did it work straight away, but I can tell from here they are a lot brighter. That is a massive difference. This is Ringo. Ringo is a 1974 Volkswagen 1303S. Messing about here.